Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Okay, we have completed our social exam, and today we will start new lesson. Okay, this is about weather and seasons. Okay, this lesson is about weather and season. See, if it is cold, what we wear and what we want to eat. Okay, very good. If it is cold, we wear woolen clothes, and we want to eat or drink very hot. Okay, and if it is hot, what we want to eat and what we want to wear, what we want to drink. Yes, if it is hot, we want to wear cotton clothes, and we want to eat very cold things, and we want to drink juices, etc. Drinks, juices, cold water, etc. Okay. So now see page number 17. See this picture. Okay. Here the puzzle is to start, and he is to go to his home. Okay. So in the middle we will pick all the items what are there in the middle way. Okay. So we have to write that either it is sunny day, rainy day, or cold day. Okay. Now see, look outside your classroom. How is the day? Look outside your classroom, and how is the day today? Is it sunny, windy, or rainy? How it is today? Today it is sunny day. Very good. This is the weather at your place today. So this is the weather at our place where we are living is today it is sunny day. The state of air around us at a particular time and place is called weather. So today it is sunny day. Maybe tomorrow it will be raining or it will be windy. So that is the state of air around us where we are living at the place is called weather. Okay. A day may be hot or cold. A day may be hot or cold. So today it is hot. Maybe tomorrow it will be cold. We measure the hotness of a place as temperature. Maybe it is hot or cold. We measure the hotness by temperature. Okay. We measure temperature. If the temperature is high, the place is warm, and if the temperature is low, the place is cool. Okay, if the temperature is high, the place is warm. Warm means hot. And if the temperature is low, the place is cool. Our activities during the day depends on the weather. For example, on a sunny day, we wear cotton clothes, we drink lot of water because we feel hot. We may also go for outings on a sunny day. Okay, see, our activities also depend on the weather conditions. For example, if it is sunny day, we will wear cotton clothes and we will drink plenty of water because it is hot outside and we get more thirsty and we get more hot, and we will drink some water, and we can plan for going out also. Okay. Now, the temperature of a place keeps changing every day or every hour. See, the temperature, now it is hot. I think for an hour or 2 hours it will be cold and it will be rainy. Okay, the weather will change in 1 day or 1 hour also. Okay. The wind that blows in an area also has an effect on the temperature of that place. The wind which blows on a particular area can affect the temperature of the place. Okay. Next, On some days the wind is light and breezy, on other days it is strong and forceful. This changes the temperature of a place and hence the weather. Okay, sometimes it will be, the wind will be slow or low, means not more, lightly and breezy. We get the sound, no, that is breeze, and lightly. Now see, today only see, the wind is very light and it is very slow or it is breezy. In some other, some maybe other days it will be more strong and forceful, means some, see, when the cyclone, after cyclone comes, we can observe that the winds are more force, they have more force, and they, if see, sometimes the branches will break and fall down like that. Okay, this changes the temperature of a place and hence the weather. Okay, this also changes the temperature of a place. Okay, see this picture. These pictures show different types of weather. See these pictures. This is, what about this picture is about windy day, and this picture is about rainy day. This cold and sunny. Okay, now how do we identify the weather of a place on a particular day? How can we identify the weather of a place on a particular day? See, we can find out about the weather from the newspaper, television, radio or the internet. Okay, so we can find the weather condition in newspapers, televisions, radios or internets. Okay, in olden days they use radios, so they will listen in radios, and they used to think, okay, today it is rainy day, today it is sunny day, and today it is cloudy day. Okay, like that. Weather forecasting tells us how the weather will be in an or the next day or next week. Okay, weather forecasting helps us to find that what is the weather condition in an hour, next hour or next day or next week also. This is done using technology. How this is done? This is done using technology. Okay, so this is the class for today. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can call me, you can ask me in next section. Okay children, bye.